gotta wipe the ground there. I do. You wanna put on tape on it? Yeah? But you ain't
Soundtrack. For now, we're going to do monitors, test monitors now. After we test monitors, we're going down to line check, and then after line check, then here's a quick tour of everything before we leave today. The orchestra will be all the way here. The orchestra coming tomorrow, so doing line check and monitor check, sound check on the house, everything now, and then after tomorrow we'll bring on the system, do line check and everything with the orchestra. We have two JBLs here, both bells, and two more on that side. We're on the stereo left, right. We have this here and here for the keys. We have TI rig. We have two monitors for the conductor. We have this one for vocals in the front, these two here. And then we have that one down there for the drums, and then there's Nick. Here we run the monitors tomorrow. Let me show you what all the amp rack is. Stage monitors right here. Have all the amp racks here. This is that's house, that's my main PA. That is Nick. This is me for my sub. And I think this is Nick as well, so his power speakers at this point. Alright, so we're done for the day. We're now packed now. I put everything in the center of the stage. In case it rains, and we're going to cover them on the towel. We're tapping. I brought my mixer from front of the house onto the stage, and I'll play back up tomorrow because we're going to play on the tent as well. So yeah, we're taking right down to the day. There's everything here. You're coming on the speakers there, and we're going to cover the speakers with tapping. So that's the guys there that are going to be playing play on the tents, the two tents. Doing something like that, so you get flat surface, and then that will be it for today. And then from this gig I'm going on to set up for another gig which is starting on it's a whole week gig, so after this gig on another gig for a week. So yeah, that's what I'm heading to now, and I have no idea where it is, no place. So.
Yeah, so he had to go now because he had to come and help with Rap Dog, so come on.
I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. So the event is almost finished actually. I didn't get to update you because I was super busy and it was raining and everything, and lots of things went wrong at the beginning, but we got through. So I got some clips and everything. I'll give it like about maybe 20 seconds of B-roll. Some more shots, maybe I have one or two shots to be mixing, I'm not sure, can't promise you that, but I do have shots on the show, so yeah. tour of the system quick here. We have three subs each side, 3 top each side, bam bam. Just here I get the exact one for you. Here we have 2, and then we had 2 more for the conductor at the back here and there. Then we had one for the keys on this side, and we had another monitor down the corner. Here, the next set of keys. These are all mics for the orchestra that we had, mostly condensers and dynamics. This kit here, that monitor there was for monitors, for drum binding, and here's monitor. This snake here, using monitors. The split snake here coming in, all the inputs is pack snakes. Going, we have a pack snake right there.
Alex, I want to be in your vlog, Alex.
We have another one there. And that is it. And then Nick had 2 fills there, and another 2 fills there running stereo. And we had some mics on the companies, fire mics, as well. Okay, this is power. There's all the amps and receivers up here. This is power right here. There's our rack in front. Here, there, all the amps there. All the amps are JBL amps. JBL amp, and those amps down there are QFC amps. I think that was it, you know, guys.
Wait, Alex, why you wait until they get finished to do the B-roll?
But you see, we was like running like, it's real rush thing now, boys. So we get to do everything, and I just put on a fast road shot. I don't know how good it looks, so I had to bear with me now, boys.
And monitors didn't get any kind of attention at all. Even though monitors was on fire this evening, monitors didn't get any attention.
So it's racked down now. Once I load up the truck there, I'm going to shuffle out everything to that big truck right there. Because that truck can fit in here. So we have to shuffle out everything. So it's going to be a long night. So I'll see how we know what's finished. Okay, we'll update you everything. Hey, so this way we reach. We cannot be behind time, you know, boy. I got the time, man. Then we take the PA right there. Most of the cables drop up. And then we're going to come to this thing here. Matthew and I'm going to be taking on the PA behind, right there. We just focusing on the stage right now. Yeah, like now 7, and we're going to finish by 9 hopefully. So yeah, I hope everything goes good.
The shocks, the other pieces downstairs.
Rack down, trucks loaded up, truck have stages, everything else, speakers, backstage is going straight back down. Alright, so we finished packing everything, and we're now back at the warehouse. The trucks are loaded up. We're supposed to load up that now, and then after we get everything loaded up, I think that's it for the night. And we go, even though it's like real early, like 9 something, like still real tired. So yeah, I'll close this clip off home. Just a quick recap on this gig, look. I really want to get more footage, but right before, as soon as we came to the venue, the day of the show, I left my camera in the van, and one of the guys had to go and collect somebody else, and I didn't get my camera. Later down in the show, when it was almost finished, close to finish, so that's why I didn't get lots of clips. But that was so far, that was, I could say that was my best mix so far for the year of 2018, and the best mix I got with the orchestra. We have a few gigs coming up. As you can see, the channel name has changed. I shall be making a video on that, explaining everything, why the name has changed from allexmcnichol Gigalogs to Ultra Sound Lights and Galas. So you're looking for a video for that. So I really hope you enjoyed this Gigalog. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.